Hello, good morning, guys. Today I'm going to discuss you about most important topic, that is cloud for coding. So this is the class cloud for coding. So it will be useful for the many coders who wants to code by using AI. Okay. So here I will generate a Python code by using this cloud website, and after that I will run this code in Visual Studio Code, and I will show you guys how to run the code. Okay. Let me explain. Okay. I'm opening cloud website. I have already told you many times, right, how to open cloud website. Search in Google Cloud AI and open the address which will comes from the Cloud AI website only. So see here cloud.com. So open this website. Okay, now it's the website is open, right. Now I will explain here. It is very simple topic, okay? Cloud for coding. Cloud can be useful for programmers because it can help us not only write code, okay, but also understand improves the code. Okay, first cloud can generate example code. For example, I want to create a simple calculator using Python. I can ask to cloud to generate the code for me. See here, I will ask to cloud, please generate Python code for calculator, right. First, cloud can generate example code. For example, I want to create a simple calculator using Python. I can ask cloud to generate the code for me. Okay, please generate Python code for calculator like that. If you press enter, then it will generate the code. See how it generates. Okay, this is the calculator app application. We can use this code into our Visual Studio Code editor. Then it will generate the Python software calculator. First, cloud can generate example code. For example, I want to create a simple calculator using Python. I can ask cloud to generate the code for me. Okay. So this is the code I have generated. So I'm just simply copying this code and paste it into the Visual Studio Code. Type Visual in the search bar. See Visual Studio Code. If you type V on V also, it will reflect us to us guys. So here I can paste this code that I have copied already. Sorry, it's not. Yeah, copied. Now we can run this code. Run code. See, it is reflecting now. Enter. It is asking enter first number. I can simply type 9. 9 is my lucky number, so I type 9. and after that you can press enter button. See, it is asking plus minus into division. I can select into, okay. Enter second number also I'm typing 9. 9 nines are 81, right? 9 nines are 81. So it will reflect 81 only. See here, result is equal to 81.0. So it is reflecting. So this is the way we can generate the code, guys. If you got any error in the Python Visual Studio Code also, you can just take screenshot and you can upload it to Cloud AI website. So here I got this error. So how to rectify it? If you type like that and press enter, then it will show our results. Means how to overcome the error like that. So that is the method, guys. Okay, in this way you can generate the code by using cloud website and you can run in Visual Studio Code. That's it. Cloud can be very useful for programmers because it can help us not only write code but also understand and improve our code. First, cloud can generate example code. For example, if I want to create a simple calculator using Python, I can ask cloud to generate the code for me. Second, cloud can explain code line by line. If you already have a program but don't understand how it works, we can paste the code into cloud and that I already told right in before that before unit, okay. But there is only one very important point. We should always test AI generated code before using it in a real or production application. We should not blindly copy and paste the code. We need to understand it, test it, and verify that it works correctly. So, cloud should be trusted as a coding assistant, not as a replacement for our own thinking and testing. Now, see here, open cloud, and we can say like write a simple Python calculator program. Uh, that can add that can add subtract that can add comma subtract multiply and divide two numbers. Divide, yes, spelling mistake. Divide two numbers, right? Explain the code line by line. Explain the code line by line. Okay, if you after typing it, you can press enter button. Okay. Now the code will it will generate the code. So simply copy this code. If you press here copy button, then it will copy the entire text in the box. Okay, it will copy until printf invalid application operation. So if you copied and open the Visual Studio Code here, and here you can paste this. Okay, now I'm pasting here the text you copied. Now if you run this program, let's see what will be the output. Okay, did not if it did not run properly, you can run twice days, no problem. Now it is saying enter first number. Okay, you can enter like 9. Enter second number also 9. Enter operation you can type into. After this operation, it will reflect 9 nines 81, right? 9 nines are 81. See, result is 81. You can you can do any calculation, not only 9 9. You can write 8 8 also 8 8 just 64 it will print. Let me explain. I am clearing the screen. Clear command is CLR. CLS close. Okay. Now the entire command is deleted now. Now I'm running this command. See, now it is asking enter first number. You can simply type 8, 8 and enter second number also 8. 8 is 64, right? Result is 64. Okay, like this you can. So this output is correct. In the past, before time, I have used the 9 nines, right? 9 nines 81. Now it is giving the result for 8 eights also. So it is the correct one. So no need to change anything in the code. Okay. So in this way you can do code base. And it is saying line by line application also. Def add, why we use def add of a comma b, defines a function named a add that means two parameters add a and b, return a plus b inside the function. This adds the two numbers and sends the result back to whoever called it. Okay, why we use def subtract a comma b or return a minus b? Same idea. Thus, it subtracts b from a. Okay. Def multiply of a comma b returns a into b. Same idea, but multiplies the two numbers. Def divide a of a comma b. Same the divide. It is also same rule, but it will start the divide function. Okay. If b double equal to 0, checks whether the certain number is 0. Since dividing by 0 isn't allowed in maths. You can test in the Visual Studio Code also does. You can give the denominator value 0 value and in once test. Okay, wait, I will show here. A divided by B, right? So I'm running this command. Enter first number, it is asking 8. Enter second number 0 I'm giving now. It has to show like undefined number divided. See here 10 divided by 0. The result is 10 by 0. 10 divided by 0. So this program is running correctly, right? In this way, you can use the cloud in our work also. Okay. So that's it, guys. I think we have tested ourselves only. Here tested, right? So this is the test for ourselves only. Okay, that's it, guys, for today's session. Thank you. Thanks for Thank you.